Hello everyone, and welcome back to Luxury on Wheels. Today we are stepping into an entirely different world of opulence on the road. The incredible 2027 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This is not your ordinary RV. This is a rolling mansion, a true palace on wheels that combines the legendary durability of a Kenworth heavy-duty truck with futuristic luxury living. If you have ever dreamed of traveling the world without ever leaving the comfort of a five-star home, this 2027 Kenworth W900 Motorhome might just be the ultimate dream machine. Let's explore every spectacular detail of this beast, starting with the overall presence. This 2027 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is absolutely massive and breathtaking. The design features a stunning white and silver exterior with elegant gold accents and rich red roofing that gives it a regal, high-end appearance. It stretches across the landscape like a luxury yacht on land, with multiple connected sections, expansive glass areas, and rooftop features including solar panels. The sheer size and futuristic yet classic truck-inspired styling make it stand out dramatically against the open green fields in these images. This is a vehicle built for those who want to travel in absolute grandeur while maintaining the power and reliability of a professional-grade semi-truck chassis. Let's begin with the front profile. The front of this Kenworth W900 Motorhome retains the iconic bold look of the W900 truck, but taken to extreme luxury levels. You see the massive chrome grille, powerful headlights, and that unmistakable long-nosed Kenworth hood that commands respect on any highway. The cab area is elevated and luxurious, with extra chrome detailing, LED lighting, and aerodynamic enhancements for better efficiency. It looks strong, confident, and ready to conquer thousands of miles while carrying an entire luxury residence behind it. From the front, it still feels like a proper working truck, muscular, purposeful, and imposing. Now moving to the side profile, this is where the magic truly unfolds. The extended chassis creates an incredibly long and majestic silhouette. Multiple living sections are seamlessly integrated, featuring large panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. The upper decks and balconies with glass railings give it a multi-level yacht-like appearance. Notice the striking red metal roofs with solar panel installations on top, which not only look premium but also help with off-grid power generation. Chrome exhaust stacks, polished alloy wheels, and elegant side skirting complete the sophisticated look. Deployable stairs with glass and wood detailing provide grand entry points. From the side, this motorhome looks like a high-end resort that decided to go on wheels. Spacious, luxurious, and engineered for long-distance adventures. At the rear, the design continues the theme of pure extravagance. The back section features a spacious outdoor balcony area with seating, perfect for enjoying sunsets or morning coffee while parked in scenic locations. Large windows, sleek body lines, and integrated lighting create a cohesive and modern rear profile. The multiple axles and heavy-duty suspension are visible, reminding you that this machine is built on a serious Kenworth truck foundation, capable of handling the enormous weight of all the luxury amenities inside. The overall stance is wide, stable, and incredibly impressive. Stepping inside reveals why this 2027 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is in a league of its own. The interior is nothing short of spectacular, a true two-story luxury home. As you enter, you are greeted by soaring ceilings, rich wood finishes, marble countertops, and premium leather furnishings. The main living area features a large curved leather sofa, a modern fireplace with realistic flames, and a massive entertainment center. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer breathtaking views of the outside world while you relax in total comfort. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, a large island with cooktop, and beautiful cabinetry in warm wood tones with red accents. Upstairs, you'll find additional living spaces, dining areas, and what appears to be a luxurious bedroom suite. The spiral staircase adds an elegant touch connecting the levels. Skylights and large glass panels fill the entire space with natural light, while ambient lighting and high-quality materials create a warm, inviting atmosphere day or night. Multiple climate zones, a top-tier sound system, and every modern convenience you can imagine, from full bathrooms to laundry facilities, make this motorhome feel like a permanent luxury residence rather than a vehicle. The attention to detail in the wood flooring, stainless steel accents, and custom furnishings is impeccable. When it comes to performance, this 2027 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is powered by a robust heavy-duty diesel engine, likely in the 500-plus horsepower range with massive torque to handle the enormous weight and luxury load. The truck chassis ensures exceptional stability, towing capability if needed, and reliable long-haul performance across any terrain. Modern suspension systems, advanced braking, and driver assistance technologies make it surprisingly manageable for its size. Fuel efficiency has been improved with aerodynamic design and possible hybrid assist options in the 2027 model. It offers smooth highway cruising, strong hill climbing ability, and the confidence to take you anywhere your wanderlust desires, while keeping the luxurious living quarters stable and comfortable. Now, let's talk about pricing. A custom-built luxury motorhome of this caliber does not come cheap. The 2027 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is expected to start in the range of $1.5 million to well over $3 million USD, depending on the level of customization, features, and interior appointments. In markets like Pakistan, the cost would increase significantly due to import duties and logistics, placing it firmly in the ultra-exclusive category. Every detail, from the multi-level layout to the premium materials and technology, justifies the investment for those who want the absolute best in mobile luxury living. Here are some practical suggestions if you are considering a machine like this. First, take time to thoroughly understand the maintenance requirements of both the heavy truck chassis and the luxury living systems. Work only with specialized RV and truck service centers. Fuel costs will be higher due to the diesel engine and size, so plan your routes and budget accordingly. Solar panels and modern power systems help with boondocking, off-grid camping, which is a big advantage. This motorhome is perfect for full-time travelers, large families, or anyone who wants to explore the world in supreme comfort. Test the driving experience if possible, and consider professional driver training for such a large vehicle. Opt for as many customization options as your budget allows. They transform it into your personal dream home on wheels. So there you have it, our detailed review of the extraordinary 2027 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This is more than just transportation. It is a complete luxury lifestyle on the open road. Combining raw American truck power with futuristic, palatial living spaces, it redefines what a motorhome can be. What do you think of this ultimate luxury RV? Would you love to travel the world in something like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know if you want more details on any specific part. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more incredible luxury vehicles, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next episode with another amazing machine.